In this video, I'm revealing the simple tricks used to make viral AI thumbnail screenshots. If you aren't aware, graphic designers are cooked, at least according to Twitter. From this image, it seems the person just asked the AI to make a thumbnail and the output is insane. The truth is, there's something casual scrollers are missing that's not immediately obvious. Stick around because not only will I reveal how these screenshots are made, but I'll also break down the psychology that earns these images crazy impressions. Alright, so these type of screenshots are very popular in the creative space. Basically, a person will type in the prompt to either improve images or balance images or even make an image from scratch, and apparently the AI will make something pretty crazy. Now, if you didn't know anything about AI or graphic design, this would kind of scare you because there are a lot more people who don't know about, they're not well versed in graphic design or AI. So if you're scrolling casually, you're gonna look at this and be like, wow, that's insane. Now, obviously, casual people aren't the only ones who are going to be seeing this. Other graphic designers will also see this and be like, man. And depending on how you feel about AI, this is either amazing or this is keeping you up at night. And the reason it's so believable is because, well, it's a screenshot. You're more likely to trust a screenshot than you are any other piece of media. Now, here's the question you're probably asking. Can AI actually do this? Well, I work with AI a lot when I'm designing, and it's very rare that I get something of this quality. If you're wondering what actually is going on here, basically, this is Photoshop. This screenshot is a Photoshop version of whatever AI software that was used to apparently make this image, when in this case, the person made the thumbnail, then got the original images together and made a web page of the AI asking for the image on the bottom left. Because humans are inherently lazy, they'll obviously believe it. As you can see, 2 million impressions. Because the amount of people who don't know how AI works versus the people who do is pretty significant. So a quick tip if you want to decipher if something is real or not, I'd recommend you actually play around with whatever program like ChatGPT or Google Gemini that you're cool with using and actually see if you can do this yourself. In my opinion, you don't even need 5 minutes to figure out that this is, as of right now, AI is not capable of doing this on its own. You still need a person to provide creative input, but this is a pretty funny concept. Okay, so hopefully I was able to give you the rundown on the psychology of it. Now let me show you how to do this, obviously ethically. Real quick, I'm not condoning you fake anything or malicious practices, but if you're me and you love trolling, then this next part is for you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to actually make this. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You can either design the UI, or you could literally just take a screenshot, color in some stuff, and add in your own images. I find the second one to be a much faster option, so let's go with that. So first, you're going to need a screenshot from the AI software of your choice. So if you already have a chat opened with an image, you could just use that. Okay, so I just took the width from an image we're going to use as a base, and we're going to model our UI after it. Okay, so I'm going to take this text box, change the color of the background to this. Okay. It'll be really helpful if you have a rough idea of what your the thing you're trying to copy looks like. We can just copy this about there. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Now you're going to bring an image of your own thumbnail. Okay, we're going to bring in this image. And now we resize it. About there should be good. Yeah, about there. And for finishing touches, we'll need since I'm working with Gemini's UI, I'll need the Gemini logo. Okay, go to erase color, erase the white background, resize it, and put it like right there. And there we go. And as you can see, we are cooked because of AI. It's an entirely different chat, but I doubt anybody scrolling will actually read the prompt. But just in case, I switched out the other thumbnail for this thumbnail, so that's more accurate to the chat. That's how you make an AI screenshot. I don't condone you using this for malicious purposes. This was solely meant to be like a fun, creative thing to do. This can be helpful if you're making like specific elements for graphics and stuff that's not screenshots. You could recreate it using this method and it'll look really realistic to your design. Check out this video where I break down the thumbnail strategy of a channel with 714,000 subscribers.